overpopulation? Overpopulation is an undesirable condition where the number of existing human population exceeds width compared to the carrying capacity of the land. In this case, the number of people needs more than essential material. Essential material means like food, clothes, water, shelter, transport, etc. So, what is the cause of overpopulation? Immigration. Immigration is the most important cause of overpopulation. Next, increased of birth rate, decreased of death rate, better medical facilities, lack of family planning. So many causes are there. Impact of overpopulation. The first impact is environmental damage. Suppose a large number of population consume more natural resources such as fresh water, land, mineral resource, etc. More land is brought under the cultivation, increased mining for minerals causes further environmental damage. Pollution. Uses of more fossil fuels, more pollutants are released from the factories, industrial sector, etc. Shortage of resources. In developing countries, many people competing for resource. So the basic necessities of life have become expensive. There is not enough affordable food, shelter, education facilities for everyone. Cycle of poverty is the most important point. In developing country, a large number of people live in a small congested area with poor sanitation, and this condition spread a number of diseases. There are not enough jobs, so people are unable to break free of the cycle of poverty. People becoming homeless. As a result, slums have developed where the standard of living condition are very poor. There are problems of water supply, lighting, sanitation, etc. And end of the day, the rate of crime and corruption have been increased. Now, underpopulation. What do you mean by underpopulation? Underpopulation occurs when the size of the population is small in relation to the available resources of a country. Means there are not enough people to make full use of resources. What is the causes of underpopulation? Increase of death rate, high rate of infertility, high rates of immigration. Now come to the next point, that is the impact of underpopulation. Impact of underpopulation are dividing into two factors, that is the positive effect and the negative effect. So at first we discuss about the positive effect. There are sufficient employment opportunities for everyone, and the next is the lower level of poverty, sufficient educational and medical facilities. This is the positive effect of underpopulation. And now come to the negative effect, that is the lack of sufficient labor. There are not enough people to develop the natural resources. So many. Now the composition of population. Composition of population are dividing into two parts, that is rural population and the urban population. What do you mean by rural population and underpopulation? Rural population refers to the people those are living in the villages, and the urban population refers to the people those are living in towns and cities, and they differ from each other in various aspects. In rural area, population density is very low. In urban area, the population density is very high. And the second point is the rural area people fully engaged in the primary activities like agriculture, fishing, etc. And the urban people are usually engaged in secondary and tertiary activities like trade, service sector, etc. In rural area, the educational and medical facilities not highly developed. In urban area, the better facilities of education, healthcare, etc. And the standard of living is very high in urban area. So this is the difference between rural area and urban area, and the rural people and urban people. So here I close the lesson for today. The remaining part we'll discuss in next class. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.